Ngiyabonga Nkosi yami. You changed my life, Lord. I was broken, I was blind, I was searching for a light. Then you came and found me there, wrapped me in your perfect care. You didn't ask me to be clean, you just said, come follow me. Now I stand because of grace. I have peace in every place. When God walks in, everything changes. Uyangishintsha, uyangikhulula. He takes the pain and brings the healing. Ngiyamthanda, ngiyambonga njalo. When God walks in, miracles begin. Uyangisindisa njalo. Bengilahlekile ngigcwele ubuhlungu, ukukhanya kwakho kwangithola. You picked me up, you held me close, ngathola uthando wangempela. Now I dance where I used to cry. You gave me hope I can't deny. Your mercy woke me up again. Now I live to praise your name. When God walks in, everything changes. Uyangishintsha, uyangikhulula. He takes the pain and brings the healing. Ngiyamthanda, ngiyambonga njalo. When God walks in, miracles begin. Uyangisindisa njalo. No more fear, no more shame, just your light inside my name. Ngiphila ngoba wena unami. Your grace is more than enough for me. When God walks in, everything changes. Uyangishintsha, uyangikhulula. From broken pieces to victory. Ngizodumisa igama lakho njalo. When God walks in, miracles begin. He changed my story again.